How to add base network to Trust Wallet. Hello everyone, it's me Vak, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you could add the base network to the Trust Wallet. In order to add the base network to the Trust Wallet, at first you have to open the Trust Wallet by launching the Trust Wallet application on your device. Now then you can access the networks by tapping on the settings icon at the bottom right and selecting the wallets. Then you have to add the network by tapping on the plus icon or add the custom network. In the search bar, you have to type base to find the base network, and then you have to add manually. If it does not appear, you can add it manually by entering the following details. You can add the network name, that is base, the RPC URL, that is https://mynadebase.org, and the chain ID 8453 and the currency symbol ETH, and the block explorer URL https://space.blockscout.com. After entering all of the details, you have to tap save to add the base network. Now you can manage the tokens on the base network within your Trust wallet. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.